Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share the highlights of the latest MES Recruitment 2021 notification. MES is the Military Engineer Services. It is a premier construction agency and one of the pillars of Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army, which provides rear line engineering support to the armed forces. It is one of the largest construction and maintenance agencies in India with a total budget of about 30,000 crores. It is also responsible for creating the strategic and the operational infrastructure other than major roads. Now, if you look at the dates, the online application process has already started. It is going on from 22nd March 2021. The last and the date of examination is 16th May 2021. It's a 2-hour examination. Now, details of post as well as the number of vacancies is concerned. A total of 502 vacancies. For supervisor, there are 450 vacancies, and for the draftsman, there are 52 vacancies. And the interesting part, as far as the salary is concerned, the pay level is pay level 6, both for the supervisors as well as draftsmen. Now, in the 7th pay, the gross should be somewhere around 60,000. Okay, and the what you get in hand would be little more than 50,000. See, as far as this MES is concerned, now apart from the like your regular, your basic pay, dearness allowance, HRA, and all that, you also get transport allowance, children education allowance, leave travel concession, medical facilities, CSD facility. Okay. Also, the recruited candidates will be covered under the national pension system. So there are, apart from the salary, there are many more benefits that comes from these posts. So now this is the category wise vacancies for the various categories. Wherever required, please look at the pause the video and look at the details. This is the reservation, horizontal reservation for the physically challenged, and this is distribution command wise, like the Southern Command, Eastern Command, etc. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, so nationality should be an indigen, should be an Indian. Age limit 18, a maximum of 30 years. Of course, depending upon the category, for the reserved category candidates, reservation as per central government norms. I mean, exemption of age limit as per central government norms. Now, coming to the education and other qualifications. So, Indian, maximum 30 years of age. Now, coming to the education and other qualification, draftsman, there are two parts. One is essential, other one is desirable. Now, the essential part is that for the draftsman, a diploma in architectural assistantship from a recognized university, and the desirable is 1 year working in AutoCAD, operation of Xerox machine, printing and lamination. That's the desirable experience. So this is for the draftsman. For the supervisor, there are two options given. Okay, what if you are a postgraduate? What if you are a graduate? Okay, now if you are a postgraduate, that is if you have master in economics, commerce, or statistics, or business studies, or public administration, then you should have 1 year work experience in handling stores and keeping accounts, or an experience in state, central, public sector enterprise, or banks, or universities, or any of the private organization listed under the uh, Stock Exchange of India. Now, if suppose you are a graduate, okay, so you are a graduate in economics, or commerce, or statistics, or business studies, or public administration. Now, apart from the degree, the UG degree, you should also have a diploma in material management, warehouse management, purchasing, logistic, or public procurement. Now, along with this, you should have a 2 years experience in as a store or an accounts keeper, or an experience in state or central or PSUs or banks. Now, whatever I said earlier. Now that there it was like 1 year experience. If suppose you are a postgraduate, here if you are a graduate, should have 2 years experience, and of course along with the diploma. Now, please remember, now this experience of 1 year or 2 year, whatever it is, now that should come with proper format. Okay, the experience certificate should come in proper format, and this experience should have been gained after the education. Okay, whatever training or internship or like research experience, like during the course of education, now that is not considered as an experience. And medical fitness is mandatory as per the prescribed format, as per the requirements of MES. uh, Medical fitness certificate should be produced. Now, coming to the scheme of examination, so it's a 2 hour examination. Totally there are 4 sections: general intelligence and reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks; general awareness and English, 25 questions, 25 marks; numerical aptitude, 25 questions, 25 marks; specialized topic. Okay, so for the draftsman or the supervisor, so 2 topics, 25 questions and 50 marks. And please remember, it is all like OMR based. Okay, you have to share the answers, and for negative answers there is a 1/4 negative mark. For wrong answers there is 1/4 negative mark. And though not exactly MES questions. Right now, you can find questions related to general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, and numerical aptitude. You can find relevant videos in our channel. The link to some of those videos is given in the description below. You can go through that. So, as far as the selection process is concerned, a minimum pass for the underserved and EWS categories like 50% marks, and for the OBC SC ST it is a 40% marks. And there is no interview. The selection is purely based on the performance in the written test. And for the document verification, the candidates will be called in 1:3 ratio. Okay, so if there is one vacancy, 3 candidates will be called. Now, this is the syllabus for the general intelligence and reasoning. This is the syllabus for numerical aptitude, syllabus for general English, syllabus for general awareness, for the supervisor. Now, this is for the draftsman. And draftsman, yeah, you have more. Now, how to apply? This is the link. Now, this link is provided in the description below. So, if you are eligible, you can just click on the link to apply. There is an application fee of 100 rupees, and there is an exemption for female candidates and candidates belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. And to apply, you should have an active email ID and phone number. Also, you should have a government issued ID card. And so these are the list of exam cities. And as far as the document verification is concerned, you will be called only to Pune. That is where the headquarters of MES is there. So for the document verification, it's only Pune. As far as the written test is concerned, there are 26 cities throughout the country. So reservation, as per the central government norms, it is followed. And at the time of document verification, along with the certificates, you should carry 2 passport size color photographs and all that. Okay. So I hope the information I have shared in this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer. For more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Learning About. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.